Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can drag formula down on Google Sheets mobile app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Google Sheets application on my mobile phone. This is my Google Sheets and I'm going to open this application, and then I'm going to open one of my documents in this Google Sheets. For example, I'm going to select this document, and I'm going to show you how we can autofill in this document. Wait guys, I'm going to change the theme. I'm going to view it in light theme. Alright, and here as you can see guys, I have added a formula to this column or the cell, and I'm going to autofill this formula, or I'm going to drag this formula down. Okay, first of all, we need to select the column we want to autofill like this, and then as you can see guys that there is no autofill option, but don't worry because we can still autofill this formula. If you want to autofill, you can tap and hold on your column, and then you can simply click on autofill. Alright, and the formula has been copied to other cells in this column. Okay, that's so easy, right? You just need to select the column like this and tap and hold on it, and then just click on autofill. Wait, I'm going to clear it, and I'm going to practice it one more time. Select the column, tap and hold on it, click on autofill. Okay, you will be able to autofill the number as well. I'm going to autofill the number right here to fill the number automatically in this column. So I'm going to select the column, and then I'm going to tap and hold on that, and then we can click on autofill. Okay, basically you can do autofill for all the contents in your column. It's not only for the formula, but you will be able to apply the autofill for the number and the text as well. So I'm going to autofill this text, for example guys. Wait, I'm going to click on copy. Okay, I'm going to autofill this text. So I'm going to select the column I want to autofill, and I'm going to tap and hold on it and click on the autofill. Okay guys, and that's all the way to autofill on Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.